Good morning and welcome back to the journey of trading a tablet into a car for my wife. We've identified the car. It's going to be a Geely E2 EV. So no more fuel, please, no more fuel. So we bought something again and we sold something. So we've got a PXG driver, 0311, 7.5 degrees Gen 5. Thing looks perfect, great. So we got that. We bought this for 1,500 Rand. I saw online that they sell for around about 10,000 new. So I was like, hey, this is going to be some good money. So I took it to the one shop here and I told them, hey, what is this thing worth? I asked them, what is this thing worth? And they went on their app and they showed me like 800 Rand. But this thing is not worth 800 Rand. We're going to sell it for at least 2,500 Rand. So we'll make some money. I'm not stressed about that at all. So not stressed. Too blessed to be stressed. Life is good. So let's get going. I just guy picked up the VR, so we made a cool 1,000 there for the journey. And then I've got other guys interested in the NVMe, got things going out. So things are going to happen. Thanks for the follow. I'll keep you guys posted. We did burn through a lot of money. So we probably now on, I think, around about 5,000 Rand. So I'll just put that in the description. But yeah, we're waiting for the right deals. We're going to get this stock out now. I did get a bite on the Garmin, the Phoenix 6 Sapphire. So we'll see about that as well. So let the things fly. And come on, it's weekend. So let's see what deals we're going to get and then go rest. Have a lovely weekend. I'll see you guys soon.